Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to change your profile picture in TownShip application. To personalize your TownShip game profile and update your profile picture, open up the TownShip app on your mobile device first. Now then, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. Click on Edit at the bottom and then select a profile picture from the list available. If you want to use your own profile picture, you can connect your game with Facebook so that you can use your Facebook profile picture. Tap on the F Connect button to connect to Facebook, and whichever Facebook profile picture you have currently for the account, it'll also be used as your TownShip's profile picture. For now, I'm just going to choose one of these profile picture from the menu. After making a selection, you can also select the frame or style and finally click on Save. Soon after you do that, you have successfully changed to your desired avatar on TownShip. That's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll be back at the next episode. Thank you for watching.